go to the local bazaar. This is new for me. I didn't try. Avocado. This is avocado also. اینا همه محلیه همشون؟
همشون مال رامسره. این بادمجونی ها خیلی خوشمزه است. حالا یه بادمجونی از این درشتر دارم.
This is also avocado. چه جالبه اصلا شبیه avocado نیست.
انقدر اینا خوشخوراکن. طعمشون فوق‌العاده است.
این چیه این؟ این الان این چه میوه‌ایه این؟
گلابی جنگلی خوش بهش میگن.
They look so beautiful. Oh, look. I like this part. Just look at here. They are so tasty, so delicious. This is the souvenir of North of Iran. این با چی رنگش اینجوری سبز شده؟
رنگ خوراکی غذا.
آها. Look at these onions.
منطقه غذا خوراکی فلفل.
Today, women and men come from the village here and they sell their products. This lady sells rice and ice. میتونم ببینم از رشته‌تون ها؟ I didn't taste this before. I ate one of them. It was so delicious. The name of that, she said it's gava. I don't know. It looks like
pomegranate, but in a very small size.
Yeah. Vale. And also they have vegetables. And this is also from okay. چرا خوشمزه است. I buy these two. Also they sell beans. They are and the local clothes. This is local bread. This lady said that they made it from rice.